In this video, we present the vast box office prediction system developed by Team VADER from Arizona State University. Our initial screen provides users with an overview of movies past and present, and users can interact with the time bar to move to a weekend of interest. Mousing over a weekend shows the names of movies released during that time period. The main view is the number of tweets aggregated over a given time interval. The aggregation level can be controlled using an interactive slider, and a detailed view of tweets can be selected in the sparkline view. To the right of the main view is the bar graph showing weekly results. Each movie has space for 3 bars representing the actual opening weekend gross, the submitted prediction, and the regression model prediction range. The bottom view provides an overview of the top tweets and the top users, which can be used to filter out unrelated tweets. In order to facilitate our discussion, we will go through our analysis of Despicable Me 2. To begin our analysis, we select a movie of interest and proceed directly to the drill down view. On this page, we can explore tweet sentiment bubble plots, sentiment wordles, hashtag wordles, and related bit.ly links. First, we begin by developing a prediction for the review score. We look at the bit.ly data and use our interactive system for manually classifying links. All bit.ly links begin in the center as unclassified. The brighter the color, the more clicks the link has. By clicking on a square, a brief bit of text is brought up, and unrelated stories can be quickly reclassified. If a link has to do with the review, the analyst will open the link and scan the article for a review score, which will be entered into the system and plotted in the upper left-hand plot. In the upper left-hand plot, the line shows the average review score, which we see to be 7.8. No scores appear below 6, with the link with the most clicks giving a score of 8 out of 10. From there, we typically use the average as a base and then refine this based on the tweet sentiment views. Next, we explore the bubble chart view and perform data cleaning. We want to determine if there are large retweet bubbles that are misclassified. Here, we can hover over various tweets and see that a tweet from IMDb talks about an interview and should be classified as neutral. Another highly retweeted tweet describes the movie as sick in a positive manner. We can click and reclassify this tweet as well. Finally, we wish to see what other movies Despicable Me 2 is similar to in terms of sentiment views. We click on Show Similar, and then look at similar sentiment wordles matched by frequency of overlapping words. We see that Star Trek is the most similar and has a relatively high score. This gives further confidence that our prediction value of 7.8 should be accurate. Here we see the actual value turned out to be 7.9. Next, we begin exploring the opening weekend gross. The bar graphs on the right allow us to quickly see how movies with similar sentiment wordles performed. We can also search by genre and predicted gross as well as others. Here we see that Monsters University has a similar genre and predicted gross, and we can further compare this in the Create Our Own view. Here we see that both Monsters University and Despicable Me 2 are missing data. However, we can still compare the overlapping times with regards to Twitter trends. We see that D2 has a large Twitter trend earlier on than MU, typically indicating a good movie turnout. From there, we refine our prediction, estimating that it will beat Monsters University, and then adjust this to account for a 5-day weekend gross, ending with a prediction of 116 million.